Enjoy your cooking more with the 1.5 quart saucepan with cover by Cuisinart, the chef's classic, hard anodized non-stick. The saucepan has some weight to it, feels pretty solid, and the handle's pretty comfortable, especially when you're doing popcorn. I'll be demonstrating some of my cooking, along with the reasons why I really enjoy using this Cuisinart 1.5 quart saucepan with cover. The hard anodized construction heats quickly and spreads heat evenly. The non-stick interior is made with Quantanium, which is a titanium reinforced non-stick cooking surface for durability, lasting food release, and easy cleaning. And also, it eliminates hot spots, and it's also metal utensil safe. The riveted stick handle is solid stainless steel and stays cool on the stovetop. For added convenience, there's measurement markings in cups and liters to easily follow any recipe in the interior. The tempered glass lid locks in tight, locks in the flavor, the texture, the ingredients, the nutrients, and has a wide, easy stick grip handle. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.